So I'm sitting in my office having a read through all the Instagram and Facebook posts with regards to the lights that we've been advertising the last couple of days. And I just had to laugh when Pete says he doesn't want to buy any lights that's going to get stolen at night. Yes, we're in South Africa, that's a possibility. But now I'm telling Pete, here's your answer. The sensor light. So at night, when you go and sleep, you can switch this light on, and 30 seconds later, it'll switch off. Whenever there's any movement in your campsite, the light will switch on again. So this light can either be used as a sensor light or as a permanent light. And as a permanent light, it can set to dim as well as to bright. So Pit, here's your answer. This is a magnetic light that fits onto any metal surface, and if you do not have a metal surface available, it also comes with its own little fitment plates with two-sided tape.